Hello, friends! This is an animated short film called The Mice and the Weasels. Once upon a time in a village lived a family of mice. The mice were fed up. They went to the weasels again and said, "Hey, yesterday you promised to eat only our grandmas, but today you are chasing all of us again." The weasels replied, "We are sorry, but we don't remember making any promise to you." The mice were furious. "What? You don't remember? Here, we have our recording. Do you want to hear it?" The weasels got very scared and said, No need. "Of course we remember. We remember now. You are right. We are sorry." The mice forgave them and went away. They were very happy until one day when a weasel family moved into the neighborhood. The weasels were huge, like the size of a small dog, and they kept on chasing the mice, trying to catch them and eat them. One day, the mice could not take it anymore, so they went to see the weasels and said, "Hey, you guys, can't you please stop chasing us? We are scared of you." The weasels replied, "Why should we? You are so tiny and cute. And besides, you're such a delicious snack. It's fun to catch you and eat you." The mice said, "Well, if you want to eat us, then let our grandmas go. They are too old to be eaten." "Let's go, Grandma." The weasels agreed to this, and so the mice ran away. But the next day, the weasels chased the mice again. The end.